Hi everybody, this is the Game Meister. This time we're doing Luigi's Mansion, but last time we did Super Smash Bros. Smash Tour, and we had a pretty farty gas that was like,
yeah.
But anyway, I want to show you some cool pictures. They're not the best, but
they are the best.
Samus.
There's Samus.
Toon Link.
Game Meister drew all of these. Toon Link.
Diddy Kong.
Dente.
Little Mac.
Oh yeah.
Not the, but you
I love
got
it.
Wolf.
Wolf. Yeah.
Meta Knight.
Meta Knight.
King DDD.
King DDD for sure.
Kirby.
Oh, you know it's true. That's definitely Kirby.
Villager.
Villager for sure.
And then this one looks not really like Ganondorf.
It does, but it looks like a certain kind of Ganondorf.
Yeah.
That cartoon drawing that you saw of him.
Yep.
But Samus is the best. Samus is the best.
But
okay.
I think Samus is the best.
I love it. Betty really likes Ganondorf. Dokie dokes. Alright.
So we're gonna go back to our quest. And yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do back to part 2. We're gonna pause it. Let me get past through a little bit.
Okay, hurry up though. We don't have much time.
Yeah.
We already saw the ghost part.
Yeah.
The first part we did was the ghost.
Yeah.
That went through, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they just want to see you beat the level.
Yeah, you just gotta see me beat the levels. Do that. And tell me if you like this. If you like this better, tell me, because send us a comment. Please. Oh yeah, that's a key.
Like Ella did. Ella.
My cousin.
Ella.
Our cousin. Yeah, our cousin.
Who was saying that?
Roundhouse.
Oh, there's a round. That is house.
Yeah.
Old monies.
And this was my idea, like to what? Hello? Oh, I guess he saw me. Now he's looking away, showing me his weird tail and his butt.
His ghostly buns.
Now let's go over here. Get it here. Skip that. I know it's a pretty cool cutscene, but I'm just gonna try getting through the level quick.
We're going for speed. We're going for speed. We're going for speed. Going for speed. Ghostly
Hydro
buns.
generator.
Oh, snap.
Woo. Luigi's like, oh, thank relief. I don't have to fight that tough ghost.
Yeah, thank relief.
Okay, I'll take it.
Sure.
Didn't use it this. Usually this would have been where the boo was, shining a dark light.
Yeah.
All he gave us is dust. How awful. That's not how you show... Guess?
That's not how you show relief.
Just as I feared. See, ciao. He's
Ciao,
like,
Bella.
if you guys don't know what ciao means, it means bye in Italian.
It means hello and goodbye.
Yeah, like aloha.
Exactly.
Do this.
Grab some spike balls and chuck them in his face.
What? Row!
Row!
Give me this.
Game Meister's classic sound.
I only did it like in 2 videos and then I lost the habit of saying it.
Yeah, Row is the best. All cash money.
No!
Okay. Yep. Alright.
Oh, just screw that.
Okay.
You guys already know where the gems are, but let's do this.
No, we're just cruising for this because we don't got much time.
Die. Oh, remember the secret?
The secret cash money. One green curtain.
Another.
2 green curtain. Oh boy.
3.
What's in your grill?
Come on, I'm sucking on.
Get it?
Let's try this.
Yeah.
Money. Yeah. So anytime you see that.
Get your cash, get your cash, get your cash, go.
Cash money.
Get your cash, go.
And we have, so far, soon that total adds, we would have, just screw that. Oh god, I forgot.
Oh yeah, you gotta focus.
We have 2, we're like, we are at 349.
Yeah, that's what you're doing.
Try checking.
Yeah, don't check, don't worry.
Keep doing that. Oh my god. Sorry. Another one. Hello. Hey!
How dare you do this?
Oh my god. I dodged that.
Blast all the walls.
Hey, come on. Come on. What? What?
Oh, jeez.
This is stupid.
Jeez.
I've been dodging it like a pro, but then I end up... Oh, come on. Come on. Hit me. Come on. Give me your best shot. Ow!
Oh, he did.
I keep doing that. I don't like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Come on. I keep doing that. What the heck?
What are you talking about? Doing what?
I keep, like, flicking the screen back.
Oh.
This is a little cool secret here. And yeah, from the side view, you can see that gem right there.
Yes.
Well,
You already showed.
which I want to get this because I want some more life. See? Where can I get the hearts? That's better. Well, anyway. You? No, you better. I hate you. I'm taking a lot of damage, but I don't care. Since, nah.
Grab that. Like ball and chuck it in his face. Oh no. Oh yep.
Hello? Yeah.
Oh snap.
I try getting close to get a better angle.
You're a big, tasty, delicious morsel to these guys. Chomp on
I'm
that.
taking a lot of damage here.
A ton. But that's okay. Is it gonna beat the level?
We're at 8 minutes. Gonna try. And remember, death trap.
Yes. Avoid the hole in the ground.
Wastes your time. See you. One after. Oh god, no. One after and there. Tree charge, and I get. Come on, here. I have a better strategy. Oh, nope. Run, get. Oh, try getting both. No. I keep doing that. I need to get my stones. Nana poo poo. You are nana poo poo. Oh, I hate when. Hey. That's it, you sing at Roundhouse.
Roll your spaz gently down the street. You're a total super spaz. You can go. Bless you. That sounded floppy.
No, we're at 10 minutes,
10 minutes. Did we already get that
gem, yeah.
gem that was over there? Good. So
Yeah.
we don't have to waste time doing that.
Yeah.
Spikies.
I'm not gonna waste my time getting that money. I'd just rather beat this level.
Yeah, good call. Bravlasky.
I would rather kiss my mom.
I really
You
could.
can do that.
That's a better option.
Better option. That's over there.
Come on, come on, come on. Suckies. I need my suckies.
Yeah. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Got my suckies.
There we go.
Oh!
Cash money. What's one? Oh boy.
Haunted, obviously. There's a haunted bucket in the haunted towers.
We're done.
Get it? Haunted bucket, haunted towers.
Oh my god.
I'm a genius.
You are a genius.
I'm joking.
That was brilliant.
We're gonna try finish this at 11. Where the heck is the bucket?
Bucket.
Right. Buckets, mud, now. I said now.
Bucket. Oh, you messed it.
Now. Thank you. It should not be this hard. Thank you.
Oh yeah. You got it.
Didn't.
Slap it down. Shoot it down.
Bow. We can skip this cutscene.
Yarp.
Oh god, we're almost at 12 minutes.
Then you're gonna have to do it fast.
Okay. Ciao. Gonna fight this scubber?
Get him. Go.
Hey.
What?
We're gonna stay in this one spot. Ah! Okay, no. I got like it. Oh, I gotta get the triple charge. You guys?
Oh yeah.
Be nice. Let me get this. Let me get the yes.
Okay. Just in time. He let you get it just in time.
Ciao.
Peace out.
I'm gonna get a 1-star ranking. One.
What is that?
1-star ranking.
What's your ranking?
1. But I already got a 2, so
1 star.
told you.
Oh,
Doesn't matter. We still got a 2.
that's right. We got it within 13 minutes. Okie dokie.
See you guys then. And I'll tell you in the next video if we get an upgrade or not.
Beautiful.